Most beginners quit tarot in the first week, not because it's too hard, but because they start in the wrong order. If you ever picked up a deck, flipped through it, and thought, I have absolutely no idea what I'm looking at, I'm going to show you the exact steps to go from that to reading your first card with real confidence today. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I talk about all things witchcraft, tarot, spellcraft, herbalism, pagan and Celtic practice, all of it. If that's your thing, consider subscribing. Today we're breaking down tarot reading for absolute beginners. No fluff, just the real steps you need. Step 1. And this trips a lot of people up. Choosing your deck. There are hundreds of tarot decks out there, all different styles and art, but if you're just starting out, I always recommend the Rider-Waite deck. It's the most widely used deck in the world, which means there's tons of resources out there to help you learn it. That said, if a different deck speaks to you, if you're drawn to the art or the energy of it, go with your gut. Just make sure it comes with a guidebook. You're going to need that early on. Step 2. Get familiar with the cards themselves. Every single card in the deck has its own meaning and symbolism. It can feel like a lot at first, so here's how to break it down. Start with the major arcana. These are the big cards. Think life, changing events, spiritual lessons, major turning points. Once you're comfortable with these, move on to a minor arcana. These represent your day-to-day stuff. Little challenges, everyday situations, the small moments that make up life. My advice, don't rush this. Sit with each card, really look at it. What's happening in the image? What symbols show up? Your brain will start connecting dots faster than you expect. Step 3. Shuffling, honestly. There's no wrong way to do this. Face down, face up. Big riffle shuffles, little overhand shuffles. Whatever feels natural to you. The only rule is shuffle thoroughly so the draw feels right. While you shuffle, this is a good time for step 4. Asking your question. Now, here's something important. Tarot isn't a magic 8-ball. It's not about predicting the future, it's about gaining insight into your actions and your desires and decisions. So, keep your questions open-ended. Instead of asking, will I get that job? Try something like, what do I need to know about the job opportunity? Step 5. Draw your card. Place it face up in front of you. Take a breath. Really look at it before you jump to conclusions. What do you notice first? What colours, symbols or characters stand out to you? Step 6. Interpret it. This is where your guidebook comes in, especially early on. But here's the thing. Tarot is subjective. 2 readers can look at the same card and come away with 2 different equally valid interpretations. Trust your gut. Trust your personal connecting to what you are seeing. Step 7. Reflect. Once you've interpreted the cards, sit with it for a minute. Ask yourself, what does this mean for me? Specifically, how does this connect to the question I asked? What's one action I can actually take from this? This step is where tarot goes from cute hobby to genuinely useful tools. Now, here's a part nobody wants to hear. You have to practice. Pull 1 card a day. Just 1. Reflect on it. Over time, you'll start to recognize the cards instantly, and your interpretations will get sharper and more intuitive. Few for bonus tips before we wrap it up. 1. If you're feeling stuck, there is zero shame in taking a class or getting a reading from somebody more experienced. It generally speeds up the learning curve. 2. Protect your energy. Tarot can be emotionally heavy sometimes. Take breaks, journal, meditate, whatever recharges you. The cards are a tool. You're still the one steering your life. 3. Don't ignore reversals. When the card comes up upside down, it's not bad, it just adds a different layer or challenge to the meaning. As a beginner, it's totally fine to skip reversals at first and add them in once you're more confident. 4. Keep an open mind. Sometimes the cards will tell you something you don't expect. or don't necessarily want to hear. That's okay. Nothing is set in stone. You'll always have the power to make your own choices. Learning tarot is a journey, not something you master overnight. Be patient with yourself, stay curious, and approach your cards with respect. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments. What's the first card you ever pulled? I'll see you in the next one.